Yeah, gentlemen.
So I think the second topic is remain because it is more relevant than first one because e-rickshaw and e-energy is not that much valuable than India's rise in South Asia. Our, so in my views, second topic more.
I agreed with your point of view, and yes, from my side, I would also like to discuss about the of that second particular topic, that what India should do to be the in one of the most powerful countries in the
Yeah,
Southeast Asian. Uh,
Yes, I also want to discuss about the country to build Southeast nation among
Right, gentlemen.
the.
Since all of you have accepted that you want to talk about the second topic, I repeat the topic. Most important for India to remain strong among Southeast Asian nations is to concentrate A on increasing trade, B improve economy, number C strengthen military. Start.
okay, so gentlemen, as we know that trade is one of the few factors so that affects country's economy. Okay, so I think India should much concentrate over that factor, that we should concentrate on the trade so to empower our economy, and other trade will be better, then economy will also be better, because trade is one of the
that,
most.
that same goes for economic. If we focus on our economic, India will should also focus on our trade. So I think economy is first, so that India should focus. Okay.
Yeah, I think trade should be more better relevant than economic because if we increase the trade system, the economy also increase.
Yeah, that the much away topic is that what we have to concentrate over. Okay, so if we concentrate over the particular economy interest, so it will enroll all the things over up, okay, including the military systems, all and all our other activities that India do with other countries. So yeah, trade, as we know that trade is one of the boosting factors of economy. So we should continue all the activities, including in the economic shift, but we should concentrate over the trade. And it is the major aspect to build any country's economy. So
But
if we cover all
first,
the
first,
things.
if we not stable economically, then how should we start to trade? So first, if we stable of economic, then we should start the trade.
Okay, matlab,
First we
the
take
wholesome.
initiative. First we
You are
take
right.
initiative for the trade, then
You are right. We should start trade, but I think first India is have more problem of economic. In last 5 or 6 years, our GDP has fallen down 5 or 6 point. So if we not work on economics, then how will we focus on trade?
The
but the
wholesome
message
factor is
is
that.
that for increasing economy, we have to increase the trade.
Okay, so I think the wholesome factor is that the country should focus, concentrate over the all the aspects in the economic factor, in the economic sector, sorry,
Yeah, yeah,
including trade. That's what
yeah,
you are.
including trade. Yeah, yeah. If we are focusing on in economics, then it will be also focus in trade in some. But economic is a whole something in which trade is coming. So I
Okay,
think, in my sense, we should focus on economic.
okay. Because what I was explaining, that we should concentrate more over trade, but yeah, it is better than that we should concentrate over the all the factors of economic interest.
Yeah, that's
I'm
what I
agreed
want
to
to
your
say.
point.
Yeah. So I think that's the point that India should concern about empower his economy. That's it.
I think Rajpitam wants to say something.
Yeah, so the conclusion is that we should focus on economy or trade.
Uh, as we know that in the past few years, not ours a country, but most of countries' GDP and economic growth has just gone in, decreased a lot. Okay, so yes, you know that the major factor to build up that growth, that economical growth, is to produce more and more industrial works and to concentrate all the activities that promotes our economy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
that,
if India is self-dependent on economic base, then it can strengthen its military too.
yes. I think when economic growth is well of any country, that yeah, it will invest in other sectors also,
Yeah.
including our military and also in
Trade.
other aspects of our country.
Yeah. Exactly. Can we reach to the sir
I
or
will.
continuously goes on?
Right, and I think all of you have come to the end of the road. You are not able to discuss the topic at all. This is status. There's nothing now. First and foremost, let's start with Chirag. Chirag wanted the first to talk about the trade, and suddenly he changed over. He has agreed that it should be economy more important than the trade itself. So, what is the point? Sticking to your point when you say I think the trade is important. So that the first and foremost, you already given up. You already mixed up. You can't afford to do that. And even if you want to trade, what are the points? How do you get it on there? Why it is important? How does the trade is important? Could it build relationship? When I say what is it in order to remain uh, in Southeast Asian countries, India should concentrate on trade, economy, or military. This was the topic.
Yes,
If
sir.
that is the topic, if you start with the trade, the trade is fundamental for interaction, communication. This one, if we don't maintain trade with each other, we are different. We cannot afford to have everything of our own. We may require minerals, we may require certain end products, we may require certain commodities which is not available in the country. If I don't concentrate on trade, how do you think we were getting on that? That's how the point should have gone.
Yes, sir.
And without it, even if the economy, yes, economy is important. Economy will only develop if the trade comes. If I don't have all the materials, how do I produce? How do I grow water? How would my economy increase? If I have got certain surplus of items like rice, and if I don't export it around there, what is the use of keeping the rice in ourselves? So economy, just how they say, you should have concentrated. And you should very coolly to economy. That's sad. Now Nick came back to I think Vishnu. You talked about very rightly. You talk about economy, but what is economy? How do you concentrate on city? He said until I have got our economic development takes place, I would not be in a position to participate in international affairs. We are always stuck with that internal problem. We have to manage our own people and we have to manage other nations as well. They are all developing, both with the Southeast Asia, they are all developing countries, and until they require each other's help, and that can only happen, I can only help them to grow and develop if I have got my economy strong. How do I concentrate on economy? Economy, I must increase my productivity, I must reduce the population. So that's how the topic should have gone.
Yes, sir.
Then it is sad, whatever you have done it is totally unacceptable. You will land up in a problem with this. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's start.
So your voice
Sir.
is breaking, sir.
Sir.
Need no discussion at this time.
Yes.
Okay, now next. Biggest threat to A, economy, radicalization, and unemployment. I repeat, to our nation is economy.
Sir, your
voice
voice is not
Biggest, I said,
fluctuated.
will you please stop it? Stop talking. Biggest threat to a nation is economy, B, radicalization, and C, unemployment. Discuss.
Hello. Hello.
So,
I didn't get that for the second part. So, first was the economic and the third was the unemployment. Right. So, now I think unemployment is a major issue in our country. because our population, and in our population there are most of the graduated people and students who want a job after completing their education. So unemployment is a major issue in our country.
Agreeing with your point, I too support that unemployment is the biggest threat to any country. Because if any country's youth is unemployed or anyone is not employed at any particular sector, it will affect the growth of its own economy, economical sectors, and also the primary aspects of any country. To build up a nation with employed or with employed staff, it's more I think important to give jobs, to give employment to all, mostly citizens of that country, so that it boosts the economy as employed staff in every sector boosts the
It's
economically the country.
I think only not government, people should also, individuals should also take initiative to start business and commercial side. Like there are many, we know Paytm and Uber. They are the most gradually became the economic boost in India. So people should take initiative like this, and it will also give jobs to people and educate people, and will reduce the pressure on government. So not only the government, individual we should also took initiative to make business, and also that's all.
Yeah, but I was giving my point is that government too should improvise this
Yeah.
status to the people as giving initiative of a job. We just gone through the Manrega Act, that Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Act, that gives employment of 100 days to unemployed in the rural areas. Okay, this was the one very good step over this scenario to boost up the rate of employment in urban as well as in the rural areas. So what I think that government should more improvise. Yes, it's a major duty of people to get employed, to do a job in order to not to just concentrate over his own status, but to improve the country's economy also.
Yeah, but it's not possible to give all the youth of India to give job by government. So I think government should concern over how to individual improve their business and all. So they have to plan. They have to plan to how the individual should increase their own.
Yeah, I have gathered the education is also important factor in the developing nation, because if more and more people educate, they they think about his future, and by the getting knowledge he can also start the self
Okay, so taking the case of this recent pandemic in the corona, that our economic growth just
Guys,
decreased a
gentlemen,
lot in the
stop
ratio.
talking. I think all of you are way aside. What is the problem? What is the greatest threat to our biggest threat to a nation? That was the topic. Threat
Yes,
means
sir.
what? डर. एक देश के लिए सबसे बड़ा डर क्या है? एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इकोनॉमी और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इकोनॉमी और रेडिकलाइजेशन. Now, Vishnu talk, I don't understand radicalize. Radicalize किसको बोलते हैं? ये मैं बताऊंगा. That is unfold radical किसको बोलते हैं? धर्म उन्माद, धार्मिक उन्माद को बढ़ाने को रेडिकलाइजेशन बोलते हैं. If you don't understand, it's a problem, my dear.
Sir, sorry to saying that, but sir, I couldn't get ridiculous words, sir.
Radical. That is unfortunate. That is what happened. No repeat. And secondly, in SSC, you cannot afford to ask if I'm a topic.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Chirag,
Yes, sir.
if this is
Yes,
the
sir.
then you will land up a big problem.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to be attentive that SSC no repeat topic once.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to be reckoning around there, damn well get into it. Be attentive in what you're talking and be sincere in your system. First, the first topic was in order to greatest settings. First, we talked about economy. He said, gentlemen, if the economy now first is 35 economy, then we have to borrow money. So our country will become a loan taker. And from where do we pay? How do we pay? We have to sell off all our property and strength. We will be taken over other countries. This is how the threat is really perceived. So until we improve our economy, we will not have sufficient money to do development work. And you people have been talking all sorts of irrelevant things rather than topic. Second point was radicalization. He said, gentlemen, radicalization is the greatest threat. It is
Yes, sir.
creating enough problem. We are only losing people. We are creating hatred with each other. Everything is being objected to by on this ground, that ground, on religious basis. So until our people become free from it, is our constitution never talks about any biases based on religion. So we must stop it. There's the end of it. We are losing our as a nation. We are going backward. And third, unemployment. Gentlemen, if the people don't get employed, they are going to take unfair means. They will commit theft. They are all going to be rogues. How the nation go? So this is how you people are all talked all irrelevant affair. Sorry, that's not the way. But pull up your stocks and get into the system around there. You have to be making a sense